In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find contacts on Pipedrive when anyone submits the web form on your website. When someone fills out a form on your site, Pipedrive usually creates a new person record automatically. The trick is knowing exactly where to look, so you can quickly see who just submitted and follow up right away. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple way to filter your contacts so that only the new submissions appear. First, look over to the left-hand side of your Pipedrive dashboard. In the sidebar, you'll see an icon that looks like a person. This is the Contacts section. Go ahead and click that person icon to open your Contacts area. Once you're in Contacts, you'll notice that Pipedrive can show different types of records, like people and organizations. For this process, we're only interested in individuals who submitted your web form. At the top of the Contacts view, open the drop-down and select People. This tells Pipedrive to show only person records, which is where web form submissions are stored by default. Now we're going to narrow things down to only the new contacts created from recent web form submissions. Look toward the top right corner of the screen for the filter icon. It's usually near the search bar or view options. Click that filter icon, and then choose Add New Filter. This opens a panel where you can define the exact criteria Pipedrive should use to show contacts. In the filter setup, we're going to base everything on when the contact was created. Set the condition so that it reads person, then created, then is, and then choose today. This means Pipedrive will only display people that were created today, which usually corresponds to today's web form submissions. If you want to review a previous day's submissions, you can change today to a specific date instead. That's helpful if you're checking leads from a campaign that ran on a certain day. Once your condition is set, the final step is to save the filter. Click Save, give the filter a clear name if prompted, and confirm. From now on, you'll be able to apply this saved filter anytime you want to see the most recent contacts coming in from your website form without manually searching or guessing.